Got it. Is that your partial on view?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So view was three more times that. So that was today. I guess six.
6, yeah.
Admit
I think
Kenny.
JCI is moving. I wanted to take Microsoft, but it's
Hmm.
in this range right here. Good morning, Kenny.
Good morning, Steve.
What a day. Well, my appointment got changed, so that's why I'm here early today until 12. So figure if I'm gonna be here, might as well just come in and see what's happening. I'm having a lot of trouble. Um, how you doing today, Kenny? What's up, Mark?
I'm putting it in the Discord again.
I think we got to change out. I don't know what. Can you go from YouTube to Instagram? I think when I try Instagram, it says something about the app.
Yeah, you should be able to live stream to Instagram from
No, not live
from
stream.
the Zoom.
Say you could connect. Say if you go to the YouTube, can you hit the Instagram link?
Oh, you mean somebody
Everybody on
wants to
YouTube.
find your link? Yeah.
Yeah. I think when I tried it, it says something was wrong.
I'll try it and
If
test
not,
it.
I'll have to
Let me
redo
get
it.
on there and post right now.
Good morning. Good morning.
What's going on, Bashan? Good morning.
Morning.
All right.
I'm here a little bit early. My appointment got changed, so that's why I'm here early, guys. I'm here until 12.
Nice, nice.
Well, okay,
How you doing today? Day number 2. It's a Tuesday.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
We're gonna try to make it a green day today.
I got into CAVA.
CAVA. Oh yeah.
Java. Yeah.
SAVA. Yeah, we looked at all those yesterday, didn't we?
No, he's in Kava.
Yeah, I know. We looked at
Yeah,
Kava.
yeah. Yesterday was Sava, wasn't it?
Yeah, we
SAVA.
still got Sava, but I looked at Kava.
Oh, did you look at Kava? Okay.
What's up, fellas?
What's up?
What the hell
And
here, Edwin?
good morning, man.
Morning, man.
You're changing the routine on me, man. I'm thinking it's afternoon.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You know, you got to keep it interesting. The most
Yeah.
interesting man in the world, you
There
know?
you go. There you go.
Me
Or
up.
it's just a guy in his day off.
Yeah, yeah.
I caught AMD.
AMD was nice after market yesterday, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. It's
Yeah,
going through.
I got your text.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I took some of it.
Look at it now.
Yeah, yeah, look at it now. Wow. Look at that target, man. That 135. Boom. Easy money. Way to go, man. Good job, man. And that's it, pretty much it, man, from the market, man. It's just knowing and have the confidence for the trade to develop and knowing that when it's hit that key level, you're gonna go in, you know? It's breaking
Yeah,
it. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy losing money, right? It's never fun losing money, right? But in
yep.
this game of trading, you're gonna lose money. It's not always a win-win. I lose
Oh yeah.
trade at time, but I got enough strategies where if I lose, I know I could get it back. Maybe not the same day, but over time, I'll get it back,
Yeah.
right? It's just that I gotta readjust my entries or readjust my thought process, how I approach the stock again that is going to make me successful on the second trade. That's all. You could have the perfect setup and the stock go against you. Remember, we're not just trading amongst ourselves. We're trading against billions of people, you know, trillions, even that case, right? So, you know, it's not always going to be
Sunshine and rainbows.
right, you know. So, you know,
Not always going to be
if
the
you have some
extraction.
strategies, if you have some strategies set up and you test them and you test them and you test them, and again, this is a pattern type of market, right? Everything is a pattern, right?
Yeah.
After you've been in this long enough, you start seeing patterns that you've seen before.
Yeah.
Even though the market make new patterns all the time, but the basic patterns are there.
Yeah. The humans create the patterns.
Yes, yes. You know, no matter if they have AI doing whatever, they put bots in there doing whatever, let them do that because it still doesn't take away from the chart itself. And that's what my focus was. If I was going to approach this trading thing, I have to approach it in a way that not where everybody else is approaching it like that. And then I got to see it work for me in order to even put it out there. And it took over 8 years. I mean, during that time, I put a little bit out at a time, not putting everything out. Now I got it. Now I'm putting it out there on all type of level, you know. So it
Yeah.
doesn't matter how the market opens up or how the market is reacting, as long as it fit within my trading strategy, I could attack the market. And as long as I could differentiate from what type of state the market is in, I could make a trade, right?
Yeah.
You know, just knowing my environment, which is key. You got to know the environment that you're in. It's just like you go to like you're playing a team sport, right? You're going to the next opponent. You're right. You got to study them. You got to watch film, right? Either
Yeah.
it's football, it's baseball, if it's basketball, you got to study your team. So you got to study the chart in order to find out. You can't just come in there and say, okay, this looks good. And then you wind up losing because this looked good to you, but in actuality, did it fit your trading strategy? You know?
Yeah.
So that's just my advice, really.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, Jonathan.
Morning.
I'm also looking at the stock here, DSGN. I like it. It's the volume is not there. That AMD looked good though. DSGN. I mean, I really don't want to get in a habit of trading these stocks all the time, but you know, I'm here at the end of the 251 challenge. So I was waiting for up here, but to break this, is this, no, that's not one. I was just watching this one. I was just watching that. Nothing much. JCI is looking good, man. Beautiful to the short side. 2 points in. Let's do JCI on 4-5.
JCI?
Yeah.
Okay, not the view. Okay.
View looks. I need view to get up to 3. We got view at 203. Like I was talking about the other day, that's where I wanted to get it. I got it.
Yeah, yesterday put in Discord it too.
Yeah.
Too.
Yeah. My appointment got changed, so that's why I'm here. I'm here until 12, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. We'll take some off JCI. Oh, I almost made that mistake. Oh no. Mm, mm, mm. So what I did on JCI, finger is quick, brother.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it makes me more, but
Right, you just reverse that.
yeah.
Oh, you went to the future, came back that quickly. Dang. $18. So why'd you take away another 12 on top of the 45, 35, 50, 57, and another 6. All right. That was quick. That was a quick extraction.
So you is having a hard time up there. Anybody looking at anything? I really want to keep eye on this DSGN here.
Steve, check INVZ. Ice, Nancy, Victor, Zebra.
$260. We would have to get over 260. Yeah. $3 is the next break, the next resistance. So if 360 is the next one, then your target would be $3, right? Around $3. You're looking for 40 cents on that. With me, guys, when I'm trading, I like to see stock breaks over whole numbers if it's on the uptrend. Oh man, I think I'm gonna miss this trade here. Hold on. So that's what I see in INVZ. DSGN. It's a little bit slow.
Hey, Steve, I got a nice one for you. 4 C's. CCC.
We'll see. Watch this one here at 235. The volume is low though.
Yeah, I was looking at that one too, but I missed it.
Have to be over the 250 now.
259.
250. It would have to be over 250.
Well, I mean, the momentum is up.
Yeah,
And
it's up, but you want to see it break a level first.
how do you see the
It's up
250 level?
92 points. It still could reach this level and break down. So for me, I would want to see it break that level first. Right? 238 is the high right now. Look, $3. Look at $3. $3 is a resistance area, right? Look there, 260. Yeah, 250, 250 here. Yeah. Yeah, I want to see that.
50, okay.
Steve, what's your target for Apple?
Apple. Let's go back to Apple. Let's get Apple. I'm breaking this level here, the 93. Let's see, get ready to break this level here. Next target will be that for Apple down here. See this candle here? That's the next target here.
Okay, after the 93, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Which, as you can see, it's having trouble here, right? 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th time it's attempting. Attempted here, but pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Didn't quite make it on these 2 candles here. Let's check the SPY. See how well the SPY is doing here. Can you hear me pretty well here?
AMD is about to hit 137.
Yeah, look at the SPY break out, right? Boom. That was good.
Oh, 10 more cents.
Yeah. 462.50 is the next break for the SPY. That's where you got to get to up here.
Bro, do you want to pin that link when you get a chance on YouTube?
Yeah. Welcome everybody on YouTube. If you're just joining us, welcome to the Zen Zone Zoom live. I'm about to pin this link here to the top here. So if you want to come into the Zoom live where there is no lag, just come on in. Follow the links, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live. Also, drop a comment into the chat there so we know who you are. If you're first time here with us, just say first time and we'll shout you out on live, okay? Welcome. If you also could just hit one of those emojis there in there. Rashawn, thank you, sir. Thank you for stopping
AMD
by.
is rocketing right now.
Yeah, I just my sell order just got hit at 137
Which one, AMD?
on AMD.
Wow, this is really nice.
I'm out.
Nice, nice on AMD.
Nice,
Hit our target there. Boom, gone.
nice. That's a
That's
good
My
fine.
my entry was 134.30.
Yeah, good job, man. There, look, look, Edwin.
Yeah.
That's where it was, right?
Yeah.
Look, there it is.
Yep.
If you know what I know, that's where it is. That's where it is. There it is. 134. 134, and the target is 135, right? It's $1.
Yep.
Look, $2, $2.50, $3. Come on. That's money there, man. Game. It's a game changer. We
Short.
here now, man. We here now. We ain't going nowhere now. We got this market now. We found a needle in a haystack right now. There's nothing can happen now. We got it. We got the code.
Let me look at Tesla when I get a chance.
Cheat code.
Yeah, we got the code, brother. Tesla it is.
Got the money glitch.
Yeah. Extraction. We here to extract. Nothing on Tesla right now, sitting above the VWAP. Nothing, nothing. 238 would be the next break for Tesla. That's where I would watch it for long. Nothing on Tesla. The market started off choppy this morning and just like you almost have to wait for something to develop.
Must be some news or something.
I saw AVGO went to 1050 something.
55, 1056, yeah.
Today's the CPI report or something.
Yeah,
Thursday.
the inflation was 3.1. They expected it under 3.2.
1061.
Is it good?
1061 AVGO today. Wow. That's what you call a beast. It remind me of Tesla. That's how Tesla usually run, guys. In the early states of Tesla, when it came on the market, they usually run 50 to 100 points a day. So
Yeah, I
imagine,
remember
On
that.
your partial from a couple days ago?
yeah, I took my partial out at what, 10K and left 20.
Oh,
I left 20 shares.
crazy.
And 20 shares still netted me over more than VA right now. And Apple.
Crazy. It's 131 points in.
131 points. That's crazy. For it to drop another 100 points, something would have to fail. The market would have to fail terrible for it to come down in one day like that.
And that was what, 2 days? Friday to Monday, Monday to Tuesday.
Yeah, still up there, still running. As you can see, the market is stagnant, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Viewers having trouble up at the top, yeah. VA broke, looking good. Looking good on VA. I just don't feel like the market. Stagnant. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be smart about it. I'm gonna take Apple Wallets here, just like BA. Then 330, then 330. There's some resistance up in the market. Three 35, 93.35, 93.35, 93.35. Come on. Give us some. We're struggling right here. I don't know. Watch.
Are you seeing the gap on Apple, the daily? Like 193,
Yeah,
45.
it's right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you left 2/3 of Apple. You only
What?
took a
What?
third out or a quarter out,
Oh man.
as opposed
No.
to taking 3/4.
Yeah. I tell you, bro. I tell you. That's what I was supposed to do.
Like Don't confuse us.
View is at 252 now.
Yeah, view's doing well for you.
Beautiful. You still got a partial of that? Or you're out completely?
Me, I never got in.
You never got in?
No, never got in. It moved past my entry when I was looking at Apple and BA this morning.
I want to see this stuff here. Hold on. Let's- Here. The news on this stuff here. ESGN. I'm seeing the news on it.
Mhm.
There's some resistance right here. 235. I need better momentum, but it's on an uptrend. As you can see, it's on an uptrend. Barely here. Yeah, there's some resistance there. So I'll just be mindful of that, but keep an eye. View. Some resistance up here. We got some birthday candles up there on view. It's 250 here.
These were. What was that?
All right. Let's pay yourself. Whoa, right on time. Wow. Right on time.
With the view, yeah.
Yeah, right on time. Right on time. Absolutely. I don't know, man, but something is just dragging me to this BSGN here. I just have a feeling that it's gonna pop big time. We have
DSGN,
235, 236 now. I'm gonna leave it alone. I say I'm gonna leave it alone. It's just that I want to see my see that it did. And it's the fact that it did just make my just let me know that I was on the right track. Sometimes you just gotta do that too. Sometimes you look at a stock, you know it's gonna pop, you know, you didn't take the trade popped without you. It's like, for next time I saw it, you know what? I'm gonna trust the process, right? And if you go back to it, look at it now. It don't give you that that formation that you need. But look at it now, right?
Yep.
Look at it now. 235. Boom. With the right amount of shear size, that's big, right? You're talking about
Yeah, but if you went in with 20,000 shares size, that's like 7, 10 times that the candle size,
yeah,
right?
yeah. But I like to see consistent candles, you know. This stock is just, even though it's a penny spread, it's a slow mover.
Mm-hmm.
It's going in your direction, you know. Are you willing to wait to drag out these slow moving stocks? Sometimes those are the best trades because it's slow, it's not aggressive, you know, and the trend is to the upside or the trend is to the downside. And all you got to do is just move your stop loss and just protect it, a trailing stop loss, and just keep going because it's going up. But for me, would I rather trade this or view? I'd rather trade that one because look at view, right?
Yeah.
Horrible. Horrible. You don't know where it's going.
So can you also look at ADTX? Andre, David, Thomas, X.
A,
Yeah, D, David, the T, Thomas, Tom, and X.
S isn't Sam, right?
Well,
Or no, X.
that, I mean, yeah, that's the one.
hope it's breaking down.
What do you think? Short below it?
If you break this 6 here, it looks good on this under this support level here.
Kind of,
Your
kind of
target
looks like
would
head and
be
shoulders.
right back to here. Right back to where it popped up from. You could use this level. This level as support and pop. So these are your scenarios. Right back over the top. I wouldn't do nothing until I see something develop in these areas here. Right now we're in a channel. And to come back up, you got a VWAP to contest with as a resistant, as you could see right here, rejected and pull back down. For it to get some more momentum, it would have to break the stop for me. That's how I would approach this stock. I wouldn't do anything until I see this level break or this level break. And if it breaks this level, that would be your target. But I wouldn't touch it unless I see one of these.
I don't think it has momentum anymore, right? So we
It's in
gotta
the
look for
channel right
shorts if
now.
it's in the channel. That's it.
It's in this channel right here. So it doesn't matter if it loses momentum. It's telling you, I'm trading between these lines here. And anything below, as you can see, this is a support level here. Came down, boom, make a support here. This would be considered a double bottom, right? But we don't know yet. We need to know what is going to happen after this. Remember, we got a rejection here. The next thing at this level here, at this $6, we want to see if it's going to break it. And the thing with channel is you trade from the bottom. If that's something you like to do, from the support level to the resistance level, out, again, reversal from the top, right back down. Sometimes I do it, I don't do it all the time, but I need momentum in the market. I'm a momentum type trader.
Okay.
Breakout, resistance, support. So you watch it if that's the stock you want to trade. Just watch it. It's up 76%.
Well, I mean, I was gonna short if it goes below. That's what I was thinking. So was it a good short?
Short at 6 around that level. I mean, the one that interests me is this G. No, there's no trading on it now. I don't see no numbers on it. BSGN. Apple. Come on, Apple. Break to the top. I think deal is done, right? Resistant up here at here. 350. Yeah, we put W. W. See what happens. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome. How you doing? Andy T, Snap. Oh, let's do Snap at 16. How you doing? Happy Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Don't say that too much. It's been, you know. How many people eat tacos on Taco Tuesday? I very seldom go eat taco on Taco Tuesday.
I'll eat taco any day of the week.
Yeah, there you go. 16, Snap. Over the top here. 16 at this resistance here on Snap to break higher. Got to get through there. This is your range. Bam, bam. That just sections up the chart. Yeah, we love it. We love it here. Alan C, that's what I need to learn how to calculate share size. Okay. Alan C. It depends on your account, really. Kind of you go both ways in the market, different things. It all depends on what you're willing to risk. You want to start off small, and then increase your share size. So if you used to trade with 50, up it up to 100, right? And then go from there. Go with what you feel comfortable until you can up your share size. That's how I would say. Snap would have to break over 16 for long. VCI still falling. You guys see anything? Go ahead and post it here so we could look at it. I'll tell you.
CAVA.
Okay. I was right on view, right? Look at that. All right. So I'll look at that. So view is done for me. Okay. I'm done with view. That was a great trade. And secure the rest of that on view, the 26 cents on view. So we know the next break is over this 250. All right. View is done. Carvana is Edwin's favorite stock. We know, because Edwin let me know the first time he came on here.
No, I think his favorite stock is cold.
Oh, that one too. That one's way up. Cold is up at like one. That 111.
Well, Edwin, if it works, right? You
Right.
stick with what works. And you don't deviate away from that because that's what makes you successful, right?
Right.
Carvana. We could scalp it through here.
Gold had a nice gap up, didn't it, on yesterday at 4? Wow.
38.50 here, right here. 38.50. You could scalp it through here. 2 cents to go. 2 cents to go. 3 cents to go. Stop loss right here on the bottom here for me. Okay. Let's 50 cents out of that, right? We need 38.50. We'll put scalp carve on it. See if we get this 38.50 here. 4 cents to go. I'm gonna go right here. See the scalp, that's all. And 38.56.
What's the target on that one?
Going right at the top to the VWAP, right to the VWAP, right now.
Okay.
50 cents. It's pressure right here. Come on. Here we go. Come on. No, let's go.
Mr. Flag, when'd you sneak in?
Who did?
Sean. Sean's in there. You see ABGO? That thing's a beast.
He's off this week, eh?
Yeah, he's off, he said, till Friday. BCI. Yeah.
Boom. Nice, right? Nice trade right there. Huh? Great trade, guys. Carvana.
Yep, great scalp.
Okay. So imagine doing stuff like that 5 times in a row, right? You're done for the day. There you go. There you go, Edwin. Right there, right? That was it. And 235 more on top of that. Right? How's everybody doing today? Welcome, 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 welcome everybody across social media, YouTube. You could find me on all social media at the ZenZone01. On TikTok, on YouTube, Meta, X, Instagram. Just let you know my official backup page on TikTok has officially been banned.
It got banned again, man.
Oh,
Again?
it's gone.
What?
It's gone. It's gone. They say permanently.
For
Damn.
It's a
what?
backup page. His backup page.
Yeah, you may need to create another page.
What'd they say the reason for?
They didn't give me a reason.
Give him a reason.
Man,
It's their platform. They don't have a reason.
I don't get it, man.
John AVGO.
Yeah, man, that sucks. Crazy, man.
I was just thinking to myself, you know, it's just like anything else, man. You know, when you're onto something, you know, I rather it build slowly and solidly than it build fast, right? At least I know I have a structure, I have a foundation, right? At the same time, they can't take away my skill set, right? They may take away my showcase how I showcase it, but they still can't take away my skill set, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So it's okay. It's just sad that other people are not going to be able to get access to me like that. You know what I mean? But we still got a page. I'm okay. We are on YouTube and we are on Zoom. If all fails, we got Zoom, right?
Yeah, maybe they'll ban my account since I repost your stuff.
ADTX is $6.
I hope not. I hope not. I hope not.
You repost from the main page though, not from his backup page. The backup page got banned.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's the same stuff, you know.
Mhm.
I couldn't figure it out why the main page didn't get banned, but the backup page got banned.
Yeah,
It's ADTX is at $6.
There you go, buddy. A what?
AD Thomas X.
X-ray. Yeah.
Tech support.
AMD is about to hit 139.
Tech support. So you gotta wait. Wait, what happened?
I'm so mad I got a AMD.
No partial? Edwin, did you keep a partial?
No, I should have. That was my fault, but I'm happy with that.
Hey, listen. As long as you can't beat that, Edwin. You can't beat that. You got almost 3 points out of that. It
Yeah.
was your
Sure.
plan, right?
Yeah.
It worked. It worked.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. It works. What you set up, it works. And you got paid. Let it, so what? Let it run. It could run to the moon. Let it go to Mars.
Yeah.
Just know that when it go to Mars, it's gonna have to come back down because it doesn't have fuel to sustain itself up there.
Yeah.
And then you get another opportunity to take it
short it.
back. Yeah, shred it. Let it enter the atmosphere. You know what happened. Sonic boom.
Yeah.
But that's great stuff, man. Great, great. As it goes up, you just wow. Yeah. 38 looks good. That was great. Carvana, we hit our scalp there on Carvana. We did. Oh my goodness, ABGO. Unbelievable. That's a nice break up here. If somebody want to trade it over the top here. This is nice. ABGO right over this 1060 here. Any takers 1060 20.
142 points from Friday, brother.
How much?
142. You got it 918, right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. 140 points. Wow.
142.
42.
142.
You go a break here. Right? Look at AVGO this morning. This stock just gonna give you money, man, regardless. This stock is gonna give you money. Look at this break here this morning. Boom. Bam. Straight there. You're done. Pull back. VWAP. Another attempt again. So rejection, pull back. If it's gonna break this level, this is where I would want to break it through here. Bang on them. 1060. See you later. And here's a setup here. If it falls back down to VWAP, right? Just say for instance, right? Get exhausted up here, right? We know from this level here, hold on. Let me set something up here. So you guys understand. Okay. We know as, for right now, we're not talking about Friday. We're just talking about what this chart is showing us right now, right? Here's the low. Here's the high. What we in right now. What we in now, guys? Somebody, tell me. What kind of state we in?
Double top.
Okay, another one. I'm talking
Range.
about state.
Like in a
In
range?
range.
We in a
Zone.
range,
In the
right?
range, yeah.
We in a range. Okay. Yeah. You're gonna see me ask this sometimes, so we get in a habit of knowing what state we in. That's how it's gonna break that mentality of just getting in the market and not knowing the environment, right? Once you get adapt to the environment, it's gonna be able for you to assess your strategies, how you're gonna approach the market, how you're gonna approach the stock, right? So we in a range state. From a range state, we need to see a breakout, right? So we got to break this level here. As you could see, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6, 7. And this is just AVGO we're talking about, right? So if I was going to trade this stock, I would be looking for this level here to break, even though it's the high of the day, but it's showing me the momentum is to the upside, right? And it's getting ready to break out the range. It got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if the 7th time it's going to break or it's going to reject. But we want to see the next candle break through this level, right? And if I'm watching, I'm looking for 61, 1061. Right now we got 1061, right? But I need to see that. Let's see 1061 break. Boom. We go on to the upside. Okay? But you got to wait for that 1061 to break. So that's one scenario. The next scenario is, here's the VWAP. AVGO is using the VWAP as a support and bounce again. So if it gets rejected here, this is the level that I'm going to use for a short. Support becomes, right? It becomes here at the VWAP here. Now we could take a short at this level, this support level to the downside. To this resistance becomes support down here, right? Which be my target, okay? For any reason, it fell below my target, that's the next one, right? And that's how you're gonna play within the range, right? But if it breaks out, it's gone, right? So one scenario gone, it break out of this level here, you got a long, reversal, come back to the VWAP, and the stock change direction, you could take it from this support level here, which is the VWAP, right back down here, your first target, 3/4 out. That's what I would do if the stock is giving it up. And then the partial would run me here to the next one. And you just trade within that range right now. And that's it. That's your range state. That's how I would approach this range state here. Okay? I wouldn't do anything else. I would be just sitting and waiting. I'm not looking at anything else. I'm watching the stock. I'm watching for what it's going to do. And as soon as I see it performing my trading analysis that I took on it, and it fits in my trading technique, boom, I'm taking it. We're going. But you got to wait. The hardest thing is to wait. You see this candle here and say, oh, it's getting ready to pop, and look, it pulled back. So wait for the confirmation. Always wait for confirmation. That's why sometimes you see me, if I miss an entry, okay, I go to the next one. Or if it's going to pull back, I want it to pull back to that same entry and then go, okay? It don't happen all the time. Sometimes it pull back to your entry and then just falls. Here we are. Okay.
Steve, can you look at Lucid? It's down like 10%. Would you actually look at it, or it's too risky to, get in?
It's down 10%.
Yeah. I mean, isn't it supposed to be like buyback or whatever? It just sold off when it opened. And at about 420, it would look good, but you think it's not worth looking at?
No volume. That was the trade there.
Whoa, I missed
Open,
that one.
430 was good.
But
440
if it
was
breaks
good.
420, would you get in long or not?
No, it would have to break. It would have to fill this here for me.
Well, that's 10%.
A
That's a
VWAP
lot.
play, a VWAP play would be great because I like to play through the VWAP. And I want to see it come back up to this 420 here. 430, right? Because I want to see it bounce off the VWAP first. Right now, it's underneath the VWAP. So Lucid is using the VWAP as a shield for it not to bounce higher. So I wouldn't play this here now. I don't see anything here for me. unless you really want to trade Lucid.
I always
Steve,
think if
can
they
you look
fall
at Tesla?
10%, you gotta come back couple.
I don't know that. I don't know that. So I would have to play as I see fit, right? I need momentum. What's going to tell you if it's going to come back is the change of direction and momentum and volume. If there's nothing there, why waste your time? You know,
True.
unless it's something that you really want to trade, you know, if it's, and again, I don't fall in love with the stocks, you know,
I just love Tesla, that's it.
yeah, I love trading Tesla. I love trading Nvidia. I love trading AVGO, but as you could see, I haven't traded AVGO in a long time. But look, I traded the right time. You know what I
Yep.
mean?
Yep. Sure did.
Nice break on Tesla here at the VWAP. If you got in already, then your target should be right at the top here. Anything above that, you go in because there's resistance right here on Tesla. For me, I would wait for this level here to go through and then up with momentum on Tesla. Just remember, it's down here. It still could get rejected at this level here and pull back. This is the range. Again, you're understanding, knowing what type of environment you're in, right? That's your range. And within that range, what are you looking for? You can make money. It's not that you can't. It all depends on what is it, your strategy that you're going to work within the range. What is it? What do you see? I see a VWAP play, right? That's all I see right now.
Man, it's double bottom too.
Just about, right?
Yeah.
So just because it has a double bottom, guess what could happen? Look, bring this down here. It could come up to
Double
this
top.
over here and
Yeah.
just go sideways, right?
Yeah,
Go
or sell
sideways,
off.
right? Sideways. So if I'm thinking I have different setup in my mind, right? Different setup. So I approach, I establish the kind of environment, I establish what kind of state the stock is in. And within that state or within that range, I'm going to assess it and try to see if any of my strategy fit within that. Right? And then you go proceed how? Knowing your entry, knowing your stop loss, knowing your profit, you take profit, right? You got to know all those things before you even press the button to buy. Okay? That was Tesla. Okay. I could get out of Carvana now. That trade was done. Great scalping on Carvana. That was good. And as you could see, you could scalp all day in the market, guys. It's just what you're willing. What are you looking for when you come to the market? What is it? You got to answer those questions before you approach the market every single day. What is it you're coming into the market to accomplish? Apple. I'm gonna go flat now, guys, and then you could talk to me. We could go look through stocks if that's what you want. I'm gonna go left. Okay. Flat on Apple. Yay. Here's that. We got some stuff up here. 250, 30. You could watch B above that if direction change here. Right? Back here. Take that 200 from BA. See how it coming back up, right? There's a break in JCI, we would want to take that. $53, 53.50. I'd rather wait till 53.50. Let's get that V up. Okay. 53.50. I'll watch that level on our reversal on that. If this stock is going to reverse JCI, I'll watch that level here. Okay. And my target is going to be that 55.10. Okay, just keep an eye on that. Good. 500. As I could say, I'm gonna go flat here. All right.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Rashad.
Thank you. Good morning.
Sava was a swing from yesterday. So. Good. Got almost 5 points out of Sava today. Extra, right? That was good. It's good. All right, talk to me, Doc. What you want to hear?
Looks like AMD's reversing or pulling back.
AMD.
Yeah.
All right, we look at that. We just go one at a time. Whatever you guys want to see. Everyone already AMD. We already know where AMD needs to go short, right? Below this 138. Okay. All I gotta say, keep our eye on DSGN. It's a slow mover, but
It halted?
I haven't seen a halt on it.
Oh, because it was only, now I see bids and asks. I only saw one bid and one ask. Might have been my system just hung up.
Yeah. All right, what else we got? Did we go over on the stock pick? Let me do that right now as we do that. JCI. We already did, right? JCI. Let's go over that. Oh, that's...
All right, I'll see y'all later on.
All right.
All right, Evan.
Good stuff, man. Good,
Thank
good,
you.
good. Man. Another
Have a
great
good
day. Let's
Thanks,
see if
man.
we could make end the week in another one.
right, cool.
Tomorrow may not be trading tomorrow because I gotta take care of some stuff tomorrow as it come down to crucial time to launch this this Zoom stuff.
You'll
Alright,
be
bro.
trading, not on Zoom.
Thanks for the Carvana and the Apple.
Yeah, yeah, you're welcome, man. My pleasure, man. Anytime.
Later.
Yes, sir. Have a great day. JCI, you already know JCI. Looking for on JCI, Apple. And that's how it is, ladies and gentlemen. You know, Edwin came, we set it up, and he's a green trade on 2 trades. He's green, and now we could go off and do whatever he needs to do. And if he decide to come back, he could come back, but the object is to extract from the market. That's it. That's just the bottom line. There you go, having some trouble right here at the top here on Apple. See if it breaks on the 93. Right, this level here. There's just too much going on. The other thing, you could wait till VWAP, 92.80. That's what I would really wait to the VWAP, 92.80. But we got some support level here that if Apple comes down, it could use this area as support again. So go back again to our range. That's what you're looking at, right? I would wait for VWAP. That's just me, okay? Microsoft on a reversal. The market's not really giving you anything right. There goes the top on Microsoft. We've been here before since pre-market. Look how many times we hit that level pre-market, right? That's where Microsoft want to go. Will they have the momentum to take it there? We don't know. It's going to a higher time frame. Look at that. 15 minutes. Look. That's next, right? So from here to there, 374. Let's go on to daily. When did I wrote this? I want you to see. Look when I wrote this. And I did this. I don't know if you remember when I did that. I said I was going to put this here. Just a reminder so we could come back at it and show you guys that what I had did with Microsoft, what is going to happen. And then look, right? What it says. At 218 Microsoft, right? Because I wanted to timestamp it, right? 373 long, target 375.20, right? 220, 2 minutes later, right? 272 short, target 390, 369.60. And that was what? 11/17. Almost a month, right? Look where we at now. 373. Look what we are approaching now, guys. Look what we are approaching now, right? Look what we are approaching now. There you go. And look. Look. There it is, right? There it is. Target 375.20. So that was a month ago. I put that information in there to let me know that I'm on the right path, right? I'm in the right space. I'm on the right path, right? And just because I did that, look at us now. Look at the stock now. I can't say I have a crystal ball, but I could say from the analysis that we took when we were looking at the stock, made me set that up and look where we at now. So when you see my alerts goes off, it's always a potential trade for me because while the market is closed, I'm doing it in the background, right? It never stops. It's not just wake up every morning and turn on the computer and that's it. I'm doing stuff in the background. And I did that one live with you guys. Any one of those Microsoft videos, I'm pretty sure you could go back and check when we were, matter of fact, 11, Mark, 11.
What date was it? 11 what?
Matter of fact, let's go back. I can't pull it up on video now, but 11/17.
11/17. Okay.
So on YouTube, you would have to search 1117 with Microsoft or something like that. Do we have that? All right. So you understand that now. Be it. Mark will come back and tell me something. BA is having trouble and now going sideways, right? And we said it. It needs to break this level for more downside. All right. But as it breaks down, look at VWAP. Look at the support level here. Look at this level here in pre-market. All this right above the VWAP support. So it got so many support to the downside, it has to break those levels, come down. Look at this level here. And this is all the way down here. VWAP, you got to break this one. Look at this one here. That's two. That's two support. Okay. This is three, right? Okay. And as it comes down here, look below this level here. Resistance becomes support, right? And then after that, look at this one here. So all of this BA would have to do on the way down. What I would like is to go to the upside, right? There's really nothing holding me up here, right? But you need volume to get through this level, okay? 259.64. See, on the weekly, we need to break this level here, okay? If we continue to trend, all right? So I would rather it go higher than dealing with all those levels for it to come down, okay? It's untradeable right now. BA. And then view, we already out of view, so $250, we would have to break over this level. Look at it. Okay. Anything else, guys? Anybody see anything? Sean, what you
No,
looking at, Sean?
no, I'm flat right now. I got out of CAVA
Mm-hmm.
and also DOCS.
Okay. There's
So I'm in
nothing
a
going
little,
on in the market. Yeah, and that's what you gotta realize too. If nothing ain't happening, don't force any trades.
Yeah, I'm flat as well.
Yeah.
Nothing there.
Yeah. Don't force anything, guys. You don't have to take everything. Don't force it.
Yeah, I just found where you, on the 17th, where you put that in
Yeah.
on Microsoft. Yep.
I was discussing that.
Yeah, I didn't listen to it. I could play it.
Let's see what it says. What I
If you
was
want me
talking.
to, I could play it on live here.
Yeah, my appointment got changed because I didn't quote hit the reply button 24 hours in advance to let them know what the SMS
Yeah.
reply.
Electronics. Yeah.
Yeah. So they moved my time frame. So that's why I came on early. So now I have to go. So they gave somebody my time frame. So I said, okay. Now I know. Now, if they had told me that on the previous, say, hey, if you don't do that, we're gonna give your spot to somebody else, you think I would ignore that SMS text?
I've never had them give away an appointment for me.
No, I'm saying that is messed up. I set the
is.
appointment for that time. They should honor my appointment.
Yep. You shouldn't have to
And
confirm
I'm
it.
gonna give them a piece of my mind when I get there. If I didn't call and change that time frame, I should be obligated to have my time slot.
Yep.
And I'm gonna let the doctor know too.
You didn't cancel. You didn't.
I
You
didn't
change
cancel.
it.
I didn't call that I was canceling. I should have been able to have my time frame.
Yep.
Now, what happened would have shown up at the time?
They would have squeezed you in. You might have had to wait.
No, but I'm just saying that's not the way to do business, right?
Nope, not at
You
all.
gotta honor it. Nothing on the SPY now is in a range. 461, 67 on the SPY. It's another support 462. 462.10. Anything anybody else watching? Mike, how you doing today, Mike? Jonathan, Naja,
Doing
Sean,
good, Steve. Thank you. Thank you, Steve.
Shad. Good. Did you take any trade today?
I took a small trade in the morning for Apple. Now I'm just flat and waiting.
Yeah. Keep an eye on this DSGN, man. It's slowly, it's weird, but
I took Nvidia in the morning.
nice.
I'm out of it now. And I took Carvana with you.
Yeah, NVDA. Wow, NVIDIA was awesome. Look at that. Hit our targets more ways than one. Bam. Bam. I love it, man. I love it when a plan comes together. It just makes me feel good, man. You know,
Yeah.
you're gonna understand that after a while, you're trading, and you know all the hard work you put in, man. It's gonna feel so good that you're finally at it, and you're at the point where, man, everything is working. My strategies are working. My patience is working. You know, with any trade, you're still gonna have sometime when I take big share size. Sometimes my heart still pump if it's gonna go. You know, it's just normal. It's normal.
Doesn't look like it.
You know, but it's normal, right?
Steve is
It's
used
normal.
to it.
It's normal. You will have that. Even the best of us have that. Okay. So NVIDIA over the top here. Below here on a reversal. Target. Um, like that. All right. Very true. Unless you just sit and wait, right? Wait for the market to change the state or the range, and then you approach NVIDIA in any way best fit your trading strategy, right? Right?
So short below 466.
Yeah, 469.17 here. I want to see break the VWAP,
Okay.
and that would be your target. Look, it has VWAP to contest with, right? So just like I would come down here and bounce off the VWAP, it can do that again. But let's see if the momentum change now. Because you almost, if it breaks this level here, you almost have like a triple top, right? This one, two, and then this one will be three, right? If it breaks down this way, right? That's how I
Yep.
would look at that. What else you guys want to look at? Got about 12 minutes. Anything else? Okay, let me look at my schedule here.
I was looking at Oracle
ORCL.
for a possible short. Yeah.
ORCL. DSGN. What you want to do with
Yeah.
that? Short?
Yeah, I wanted to short it, but I missed my alert off my phone.
The next level I'll be watching here at the bottom. That's what I would be watching.
Yeah. Thinking about just waiting till we get back up to the VWAP.
We got a double bottom down here. 1, 2. See if it's strong enough to get back up here. But look at this level, this resistance level here. Right? See that resistance level there? It's right by the VWAP. So the VWAP
Yeah.
come down, or Oracle would have to bounce off this support level and bounce through the VWAP. That got rejected here once, right? Got rejected here twice, right? It got rejected here 3 times. Got rejected here 4 times. Pull back once. Pull back and then bounce through it, right? Came back again. Pull back. So every time it gets to the VWAP, there's a pullback, right?
Yeah, I was gonna say if you
That's where I'll be watching it. If I was gonna trade Oracle to the upside, I would watch it at a VWAP, take a VWAP break. But if it doesn't, the low, short it underneath the low with the stock pushing down. Okay.
all right, thank you. Thank you.
I just wanna do this for fun. Just to show you guys. Look at that. Huh? I just want to do it for fun, right?
Mm-hmm.
I set it up. I've been speaking about it for how long now? For maybe 30 minutes or so, an hour or so, right? Look, we hit our target, guys. And it's not like I'm doing, it's just knowing. It's just approaching the stock. It's giving you, it's telling you, this is what I'm willing to do. So if the stock is willing to do that, then my strategy got to fit within that, right? It fits. Look, That would be a clear sign of a beautiful trade. Right? Because it's there. Right? Now, if the momentum want to keep going, here's another one. Your second target would be right here. Let's do that. We'll do that. Okay? And the beautiful thing about this stock, it's not a big runner, it's a slow mover. Right? Almost like a turtle. Right? First, 3/4 out, boom. You took out 3/4, you leave a partial and let the partial run. If the stock doesn't run, at least you could put your stop loss back to your entry, right? Put your stop loss back to your entry. And that be that. That's a win-win situation right there. But if the stock keep going up, why not? Right? Am I going to trade 3 cents if that's what I'm looking for? I could set a small share size and just let that run just to get some money from the market. You could do that, you know. But that's that. Right? Easy. Anything else you guys want to look at? And I might play that there. I'm not sure. I just do it for fun. I just did that for fun. I do it for fun. Right? It's on the $5, right? You could use less than 50K to get a big win on this one.
Mm-hmm.
You know. And then again, I don't know your account size, you know, but for me, 20K quantity, I'll get a good amount out of that. 10K, 5. It's just, it all depends. 2, it depends on what you're looking for. 500, 200, it don't matter. If you're making $10, it don't matter. It's a green. Anything else you guys see want to look at? I got another 5 minutes.
No, I'm good. I'm just watching the spy right now.
Andre, you see anything? Ashad, you see anything? Mike, you want to look at anything? Jonathan, you looking at anything you want to see? Mark, anything?
No, brother, I was just watching Tesla and View.
View.
So, yep. It's holding up there at the 240.
Yeah, it's in that range there.
Yep. Everything's in a range.
Yeah. Tesla.
No, I just wait unless I see some volume in the market.
Yeah.
Sometimes it is better to wait.
Oh, absolutely. I missed this stock today. Shot. I was watching that since yesterday. Missed it today. Look at that. At that $4 bid.
Yep.
Missed that $4 bid. The next one is going to be 430. 20. Spend 20 cents. We make 30 cents. Right? That's how I would play that. I don't see nothing in the market right now. PBB. PBB was nice this morning. Anything over the top? Anything below VWAP there? Target. That would be my target. All right, let it falls. Pick it up from, start building a position right here. This level right here, look. It's gonna break this level here, and then the VWAP, right? See what it does at VWAP. If it support the VWAP, then you could take 3/4 out from here to the VWAP. If it doesn't get support at the VWAP, let it flow down, right? Boom, target. So if it decide to change direction, then boom, 3/4 out here and let your partial run. If not, you're out 3/4 at the VWAP, and so be it. Your entry becomes your stop loss, or you move your stop loss above the top there. Just make sure whatever your share size is and whatever your 3/4 is more than what your partial that you're gonna leave inside the stop. All right, I'm gonna do this one. DSGN. All right,
You're going
and that's
in.
gonna be my last trade. Okay, as my phone just told me. Right, there you go. And I'll show you the result later. ESGN. All right. I'm gonna watch this at this level here. All right. See if we could get through this level here. All right. If not,
Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you.
all right. Happy Tuesday.
All right, thank you, thank you.
You're
Yeah, thanks,
welcome.
brother.
Thank you,
See you
guys.
what, Thursday?
All right, see you tomorrow, brother.
Tomorrow I'm gonna be out of town,
Oh,
so I'll be in early, maybe early in the morning. I may be on for like maybe 30 minutes. If I'm gonna be on, I'll let Mark know, and we'll post that out there for 30 minutes, and that's about it. And then I have to take off to get some stuff done.
nice.
Crunch
All right,
time.
man. Thank you.
All right.
Great
I
day.
appreciate you guys so much for coming
Thank
in
you,
and
Steve.
hanging out with me, man.
Thank
It's
you,
always
Steve.
a pleasure trading with you guys, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.